Yes, is the monster depending on your time zone and your location. The court proceedings for today was the KANU versus the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and also on the other hand, the case of Mazi Simon Ekpa versus the same Federal Republic of Nigeria has come to an end for today. So the outcome of Ife court, all that happened in court today, the recap, the outcome, the proceedings of today's court sitting, the proceedings here. So for this video, the video may be a little bit longer, but do well to take your time and watch to the end. Keep water the updates and the proceedings, the court outcomes we got for today. First of all, Mazi Simon Ekpa, this is the report from the United States of Biafran DPM, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. So she made an update concerning Mazi Simon Ekpa. So and I'm reading from her official Twitter handle. Then Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ga everything, the question and answer session. All the exhibits, all the evidences how it against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and the defending teams will run their own job. So like settle down and watch this video. The real update. First of all, this update was made by Dr. Ngozi Orabueze on her verified and official Twitter handle. And the update reads:
Breaking Finland update on our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa's case. Our PM Simon Ekpa's case against the Nigerian state continued today, June 13th, 2025 in Finland. Our Prime Minister was well prepared and represented. The United States of Biafran USB cabinet was present at the courtroom for full support of our PM and our people. In the same vein, the leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appeared today, June 13, 2025 in Nigerian court for the same issue. The wish of our people must prevail.
Alright, so Ife Dr. Ngozi Orabueze dropped on her official Twitter handle some hours ago, just after the court sitting for Mazi Simon Ekpa over there at the Päijät-Häme District Court, Nalati, Finland. So can I pop you also to the updates of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? So stick here to the video from beginning to the end. Can go target like A, B, C, D, all the proceedings for today. So we got. Watch your screen now as I read it out to you.
Just in, court adjourns the trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to 16th, 18th, 19th of June 2025, in line with the outlined dates for continued hearing. Below is the summary of today's court. Both defendant and prosecuting counsel have their routine introduction after the mentioning of the matter by the court official. Witness PWDDD has moved to the witness box and introduced himself as a DSS agent. Preliminary examination of witness commences. Prosecution counsel: do you know who Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is? Witness: yes, he is IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, who has been calling for the breakup and secession of Southeast from Nigeria. Prosecuting counsel: how can you describe him? Witness: he is a terrorist. Prosecuting counsel again: how did you get to know him? Witness: I knew him when he was arrested in Lagos and he incites people through Radio Biafra. Prosecuting counsel: where did he keep the transmitter used in airing Radio Biafra? Witness: Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kept it in Benjamin Madubugu's house, Mbulu, Isuzo. Prosecuting counsel: who was assigned to carry out the transmitter search? Witness: I was to carry out the search, locate the transmitter and retrieve it. Prosecuting counsel moved towards the witness box and shows the mask witness the search warrant for the transmitter. Prosecuting counsel: in whose name was the search warrant issued? Witness: in the presence of Madubugu at his house in Mbulu, Isuzo. The presiding judge has raised eyebrow on live reports and transcriptions of court proceeding. In other words, he doesn't want further report and prefers secret trial, but we must continue. Prosecuting counsel: what are the content of the container you found at Madubugu's house? Witness: 2 pump-action guns, live bullets, 2 pistols, and cartridges. We ordered Benjamin Madubugu to open the transmitter, and when he did, we only saw household items. Witness: yes, it is. The video evidence has been tendered by the prosecuting counsel and presiding judge marked it as an exhibit. Prosecution: what were the content of materials found during the raid of Benjamin Madubugu's house? Witness: 2 pump action was found in the container. Chimezie moved household stuffs. I was asked to keep the container. MNK and Chimezie came and inspected the container. Prosecution: In your 25 years of work in the Southeast, how would you describe the atmosphere of the Southeast? Witness: life has been made difficult due to IPOB activity. IPOB committing terrorist acts. Prosecution: are all members of IPOB ESN too? Witness: yes, they enforce Mazi Nnamdi Kanu instruction. They attack security agents, especially Hausa Fulani. Everyone laughing in court. Examination of witness PWDDD continues. Prosecution: how do you identify ESN? Witness: they move in large groups. ESN engages in more of guerrilla warfare. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gives instruction through Radio Biafra, especially on Biafra Day, May 30th, for them to attack especially government agencies, our facilities, listings to all MNK broadcasts. Prosecution applies to play the broadcast of May 29. MNK broadcast being played has ended. Prosecutor decided to discontinue the first broadcast. Review of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's broadcast, where he boldly said, no business person, no mosque or churches should be touched. Witness narrated that Gulak was killed on Monday. Suffice to say that May 30th, 2021 was on a Sunday and not Monday, as claimed by the witness. Prosecution: is sit at home still ongoing? Witness: yes, my lord. Prosecution: who is Ikonso? Witness: he is one of the feared ESN member. On April 5th, Ikonso led an attack on the Imo State Correctional Center. Alright, so una fugonu ife niile may discussed na the court sitting in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for today. This other screenshot una funa screen bo the tweets of Barrister Aloy Ejimako just hours after the court sitting was concluded. So Kaiguptano ife Barrister Aloy Ejimako dey na his tweet, and the update reads: further proceeding in FRN versus MNK has been adjourned to 18th June 2025. A new witness for the prosecution testified today. On the 18th June, the case will continue from where it stopped. So if Barrister Aloy Ejimako drop on his official tweet. So, but I know the court was actually adjourned to 3 days. So, Ozzy, this on the 18th of this month of June, Kaigi wants more details on how the court proceedings siaga. But meanwhile, the whole thing and the recap of everything that happened in court today was that another testifier be on a court today. Nkaporo PW4DDD. So, the fourth person now be to testify against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and he was talking about Radio Biafra, talking about Kasi Wega, search at the house of Benjamin Madubugu, and so many things they found there. So, Obuni watched the video from beginning to this point. I don't need to begin to explain to you again if any the witness Akbotana court today. So that is all that happened in the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Obuni nanya na video nime court today. If you know onyendu, we are very excited and happy. And this is to show that now the case is still going to the favor of the Biafran people. Makana Ezioku is the only thing that will give freedom and victory to Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And that same truth koku till today. So I gane nezianya on the 18th of June, which is around next week, where the court gas starts one again. Kai we talk about more details concerning this ongoing trial of Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So basataro ikpe Mazi Simon Ekpa, I will still do a video and drop for you guys concerning that update. Ononanya na this video kuho much about it. More update about the court proceedings got drop. DPM Dr. Ngozi Orabueze Kugia since yesterday. That's now after the court sitting for today. No game an analyzation. She will analyze if any Merenuna court for today during the USB fundraising and addressing Biafrans today. So Aigane Nanya, when she will do the address, when she will do a video during the fundraising and address Biafrans concerning Kakesi Mazen Nnamdi Kanu Siaga. So meanwhile, able on for this video from, drop your opinion in the comment section, and the Kabaro to side the video can does always require this update.